Harvey Weinstein has just been led handcuffed from the courthouse behind me after he was found guilty of rape and of a criminal sex act. Now, it was difficult to see the moment that Weinstein himself actually found out that he was being found guilty, because there was quite a few security guards who were standing in front of him. What's interesting is that they then started talking about his medical conditions. Apparently he needs 5 doctors, and quite a few of us sitting in the press gallery, we thought that perhaps he had fainted because they were so concerned about his needs. But what actually was happening is that he was being handcuffed, and the fact that he needs a Zimmer frame meant that it was quite difficult for him to get out of court, and he had to be helped by several of the courtroom guards to actually leave the courtroom. He's now being processed not very far from here, and he will then be held until his sentencing on March the 11th. Now, it's important to remember that if the judge decides to throw the book at him, he could face up to 25 years behind bars. The minimum sentencing for the most severe charge, the Criminal Sex Act, is 5 years. So either way, it is not looking good for Weinstein. Now, I've just spoken to his lawyer, Arthur Adala, just outside the court now, and he is saying that they definitely plan to appeal.
As sure as I'm a bold man, it will be appealed.
He said that Weinstein himself is in good spirits. He said that he is stoic and that he's a gentleman. Now, what will happen next is that the prosecutors in Los Angeles are going to start paying a lot of attention, because they have already decided that they have pressed charges against him. This is in relation to cases filed by 2 women. So Weinstein is likely, once he is sentenced, to be sent to Los Angeles, where he will face another trial even while serving his sentence here. And of course, you have to remember that there is a lot of civil cases to be settled. There was a tentative agreement of $25 million before Christmas, but that hasn't been finally agreed. And it's also believed that the prosecutors in London may still be looking to charge Weinstein as well. So this is far from over.